Thanks for joining us today on the All AI channel. We're thrilled to have you here. Today, we're delving into a tale that has intrigued and mystified many. The story of the Lovelock giants. These towering beings, shrouded in mystery, are believed to have once roamed the earth, their existence woven into the rich tapestry of Nevada's history. The Lovelock giants aren't just colossal figures, they're also a testament to the fascinating and often unexplored corners of our past. In this video, we'll attempt to unravel the enigma surrounding these giants. We'll explore questions like who they were, how tall they stood, and the intriguing mystery of the disappearance of their skeletons. We'll also delve into the tale of the red-headed giants and the DNA evidence that could potentially link them to Caucasian ancestors. Remember to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our exciting content. So, who exactly were the Lovelock giants, you might ask? Well, let's dive into the legends and historical accounts that surround these intriguing figures. The Lovelock giants, also known as the Siteka, are a part of Native American folklore, particularly among the Paiute tribes. The term Siteka translates to tool eaters, referring to a marshy plant that was a significant part of their diet. Now, what's particularly interesting about these giants is their supposed height. Legends claim that they stood anywhere from 7 to 10 feet tall, making them true giants in every sense of the word. Their physical characteristics, as per the tales, were equally striking. They were often described as having a robust build and red hair, a feature that wasn't common among the Native American tribes. These giants were said to be fierce warriors, often clashing with the local tribes. The Paiutes, in particular, have tales passed down generations about epic battles with the Lovelock giants. It's said that these battles eventually led to the giants being driven into Lovelock Cave, where they met their end. However, the Lovelock giants are not just confined to folklore. In the early 20th century, miners in Lovelock Cave found evidence that suggested the existence of a tall, prehistoric people. Among the findings were large skulls and bones that were significantly larger than those of an average human. These remains sparked interest and debate among scientists and archaeologists, with some believing they could be evidence of the legendary Lovelock giants. Of course, it's important to note that while these findings are intriguing, they are not definitive proof of the giants' existence. The field of archaeology often throws up more questions than answers, and the mystery of the Lovelock giants is no exception. But whether fact or fiction, the Lovelock giants certainly make for an intriguing tale. They serve as a reminder of the rich tapestry of legends and histories that weave together to form the cultural heritage of the Native American tribes. Quite a fascinating piece of history, isn't it? But what happened to the skeletons from Lovelock Cave? Now, this is where our story takes an eerie turn. After their initial discovery in the early 20th century, these towering remains seem to have vanished into thin air, as if swept away by the winds of time. A number of theories have been proposed to explain this perplexing disappearance. One theory suggests that the skeletons were lost or misplaced during their transport to a museum. Given the early era of their discovery, record-keeping was not as meticulous as it is today, and so it is entirely plausible that these ancient relics may have been misclassified or simply lost in the shuffle. Another theory points towards a more deliberate act. Some believe that the skeletons were intentionally hidden or destroyed to suppress the truth about the existence of such giants. This theory often raises many eyebrows and fuels the endless debates amongst both historians and conspiracy theorists. Then there's the theory that the skeletons were reburied out of respect for the deceased, following the Native American cultural practices. This theory, while less dramatic, is still a plausible explanation for the disappearance of the Lovelock giants. No matter the theory, the fact remains that the skeletons are no longer where they should be. Their absence has only added to the enigma of the Lovelock giants and left us all with more questions than answers. The mystery deepens, doesn't it? Now, let's delve into the intriguing topic of the red-headed giants and the DNA evidence. The red-headed giants of Lovelock, Nevada have long been a subject of fascination and debate among historians and researchers. According to local legends, these towering beings with flaming hair were not mere figments of imagination, but actual inhabitants of the region. But what does the DNA evidence tell us? And what might it mean for the history of the American continent? DNA evidence has the potential to unlock the hidden chapters of our past. In the case of the Lovelock giants, it could provide the missing link between these legendary beings and their possible Caucasian ancestors. Some theories suggest that these giants were descendants of a Caucasoid race, which might explain their distinctive red hair. However, it's important to note that red hair is not exclusive to Caucasians. It's a genetic mutation that can occur in any ethnic group. Therefore, while the red hair of the Lovelock giants is intriguing, it doesn't necessarily confirm their Caucasian ancestry. It is the DNA evidence that could potentially provide a more definitive answer. Unfortunately, the DNA testing of the Lovelock remains has proven to be a challenge due to the age and condition of the samples. However, advancements in technology are continually improving our ability to extract and analyze ancient DNA, offering hope that we might eventually unearth the genetic secrets of these mysterious giants. So what might this mean for the history of the American continent? Well, the discovery of a previously unknown or misunderstood population could significantly alter our understanding of early human migration patterns. It could challenge existing theories and provide a fresh perspective on the rich tapestry of human history. In conclusion, while the red-headed giants of Lovelock remain shrouded in mystery, the potential of DNA evidence to shed light on their origins is an exciting prospect. The intersection of legend and science continues to fuel our curiosity and drive our quest for knowledge. It's interesting to think how much we can learn from our past. What about the artifacts found in Lovelock Cave? Well, let's dive into that. The Lovelock Cave, a treasure trove of the past, has yielded up a fascinating array of artifacts. These relics of yesteryears offer tantalizing insights into the lives of the Lovelock giants. From woven baskets to duck decoys, the artifacts suggest a society skilled in crafting and hunting. Some of the most intriguing finds include a pair of 15-inch long sandals and a donut-shaped stone with a 3-inch diameter hole, possibly used as a weight. These discoveries hint at the considerable size of the individuals who used them. Not only do they underline the physical stature of the Lovelock giants, but they also give us a glimpse into their daily life and culture. The presence of projectile points, for instance, suggests a society adept at hunting, while the discovery of shell beads and stone tools indicate a flair for craftsmanship and a rudimentary understanding of technology. Among the most significant finds is an array of pictographs. These ancient drawings, etched onto the cave walls, depict oversized human figures, possibly representing the Lovelock giants themselves. But it's not just about the tangible items. The cave's stratigraphy, the layering of deposits over time, also tells a story, revealing a continuity of occupation that spans thousands of years. These artifacts provide a tantalizing glimpse into a time long past. Are there other stories of giants in the history of the American continent? Oh, absolutely! The lore of giants is not exclusive to Lovelock, Nevada. In fact, it stretches across the length and breadth of the continent. From the mound builders of the Midwest, whose legends speak of a race of giants that once roamed their lands, to the Paiute tribes of Nevada, who narrate tales of red-haired giants, the stories are widespread and intriguing. In the South, the Choctaw people talk of the Nahulo, a race of giants who once lived in what is now the state of Tennessee. And let's not forget the tales from the Northeast, where the Iroquois speak of the Stone Giants, an ancient race known for their size and strength. Even in the far north, the Inuit have legends of the Tuniat or Dorset culture reputed to be giants who were taller and stronger than any Inuit. Indeed, the American continent seems to be rich with tales of giants. What a fascinating journey we've been on. exploring the story of the Lovelock giants. We've delved into the history of these towering beings, examined the mysteries surrounding their skeletal remains, and pondered the enigma of their red hair and possible Caucasian ancestry. We've also ventured into the depths of Lovelock Cave, marveling at the artifacts they left behind. And of course, we've discovered that the Lovelock giants are not alone in the annals of American history, with tales of other giants woven into the fabric of our past. This is a fascinating tale, full of mystery and intrigue, but it's important to remember that history often reveals more questions than answers. I encourage you to dive deeper, do your own research, and form your own opinions. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Remember to like and subscribe, and we hope to see you all next time on the All AI channel. Have an amazing day and an awesome year.